यह मकान किराए के लिए खाली है। दिस हाउस इज टू लेट। दिस हाउस इज टू लेट। दिन ब दिन हालात खराब हो रहे हैं। थिंग्स आर डिटेरियोरेटिंग डे बाय डे। थिंग्स आर डिटेरियोरेटिंग डे बाय डे। मेरा सिर चकरा रहा है। I am feeling giddy. I am feeling giddy. आपको मैं कैसे समझाऊं? How do I make you understand? How do I make you understand? मुझे अपनी सेहत की चिंता है। I am worried about my health. I am worried about my health. ऑपरेशन थिएटर किस ओर है? Which way is the operation theater? Which way is the operation theater? अब रोगी खतरे से बाहर है। Now the patient is out of danger. Now the patient is out of danger. उठ जाइए, 7 बज गए हैं। Please get up, it's 7 o'clock. Please get up, it's 7 o'clock. मैं आपका इंतजार कर रहा हूँ। I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. उसके सिर में दर्द है। He has a headache. He has a headache. ये लोग आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं। These people want to meet you. These people want to meet you. वह कपड़े सिलाई कर रही है। She is stitching clothes. She is stitching clothes. अपनी घड़ी ठीक करवाओ। Get your watch repaired. Get your watch repaired. आप वास्तव में एक विनम्र व्यक्ति हैं। You are indeed a generous person. You are indeed a generous person. ये आपकी मेहरबानी है। It's very kind of you. It's very kind of you. उस पर पैसे चोरी करने का इल्जाम है। He is accused of stealing money. He is accused of stealing money. उस पर चोरी का इल्जाम है। He is accused of theft. He is accused of theft. ये चप्पलें ज्यादा दिन तक नहीं टिकेंगी। These slippers are not going to stay long. These slippers are not going to stay long. तुम मेरे आगे नहीं टिक सकते। You can't stand against me. You can't stand against me. जुबान फिसल गई। It was a slip of tongue. It was a slip of tongue. अच्छा होगा कि आप इसी समय टीवी बंद कर दो। Better you switch off the TV right away. Better you switch off the TV right away. उस आदमी ने जो किया था उसे उसके लिए सजा मिली। The man got punished for what he had done. The man got punished for what he had done. मैं जानता हूं कि यह समस्या किस तरह हल की जा सकती है। I know how this problem can be solved. I know how this problem can be solved. जहां तक मेरी जिंदगी का सवाल है, मैंने इसे मानव कल्याण पर लगा दिया है। As far as my life is concerned, I have devoted it to human welfare. As far as my life is concerned, I have devoted it to human welfare. मैं तुम्हारी सूरत तक नहीं देखना चाहता. I don't want to even see your face. I don't want to even see your face. क्या आप मेरे लिए थोड़ा समय निकाल सकते हैं? Can you please spare some time for me? Can you please spare some time for me? अच्छा होगा कि इसी समय आप अपना होमवर्क कर लो, वरना Better you complete your homework right away or else. Better you complete your homework right away or else. क्या तुम कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something? तुम खामखा परेशान हो रहे हो. You are stressed for no reason. You are stressed for no reason. क्या तुम कभी झूठ नहीं बोलते? Do you never tell a lie? Do you never tell a lie? यह आपकी दुआओं के कारण हुआ. It's because of your good wishes. It's because of your good wishes. बात करके अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste your time by talking. Don't waste your time by talking. अपने काम से मतलब रखो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. ऐसा ख्याल तक मुझे नहीं आता. I can't even think so. I can't even think so. तुम मुझे रोक नहीं पाओगे. You will not be able to stop me. You will not be able to stop me. न खुद करते हो न करने देते हो. Neither you do yourself nor let do. Neither you do yourself nor let do. इसी बात पर तो हमारे बीच झगड़ा हुआ. That's what we had a dispute on. That's what we had a dispute on. कोई तो दोषी है, तुम या मैं. Someone is to blame, either you or I. Someone is to blame, either you or I. वो अभी भी बुरे दौर से गुजर रहा है. He is still going through a bad phase. He is still going through a bad phase. मेरी बात किसी ने नहीं सुनी. Nobody listened to me. Nobody listened to me. जब तक मैं ये समझ पाता, वो आंखों से ओझल हो गया. By the time I could figure out, he disappeared. By the time I could figure out, he disappeared. इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए सबसे जरूरी क्या है? What matters the most to learn English? What matters the most to learn English? आप अपने आप से पूछिए कि क्या आपने इंग्लिश को वाकई अपना 100% दिया है. Ask yourself, have you really given your 100% to English? Ask yourself, have you really given your 100% to English? अगर आप मेहनत करेंगे तो इंग्लिश जरूर बोलेंगे. If you work hard, you will be speak English for sure. If you work hard, you will speak English for sure.